If you work in the e-commerce industry, you already know the problem. Every market has its own image requirements. Different sizes, different styles. If you're selling on Amazon's global marketplace, you even have to set different languages on your infographics. Doing this manually for even one product takes hours, and if you have a catalog, forget it. What if you could upload a single product photo and get a complete platform-ready image set for every e-commerce platform in under 5 minutes? That's exactly what I'm showing you today. Let's start it. What you need to realize is that product imagery is what separates a product with an 8% conversion rate from one with an 18% conversion rate.
Before buyers read even a single word of copy, they have already formed an opinion about your product based on the images, often within just 3 seconds. This is not mere speculation,
but an objective fact rooted in buyer psychology.
Here's the proven image sequence every top-performing listing uses. Slot 1, hero shot. Slot 2, lifestyle image. Slots 3 to 4, detailed close-ups. Slot 5, infographic. Slot 6, usage instructions.
Now here's where most sellers get stuck. Producing all of these images is expensive, slow, and technically complex, especially if you're selling on multiple markets. This is where Fotor Smart Listing changes everything, and I want to show you exactly how it works.
Head over to Fotor and click Smart Listing feature, then upload your image. We can take this sofa as an example, then select your platform and target market. Amazon US, Amazon UK, Amazon Japan, whatever market you're launching in. Fotor automatically adapts the image dimensions, styling, and if needed, the language. Next, enter your key product information, name, core selling points, target audience, or any specific claims you want highlighted in the infographic. You can even click the AI Insight right to help you to finish. Style preference means you can choose your preferred style as a reference for generating product image sets. Finally, choose the number of images and hit the Generate button. A compliant white background hero shot at 2000 x 2000. Lifestyle images, detail shots, a pre-built infographic with your features already populated. If you are not satisfied with the generated image, you can click the Vary button in the bottom left corner to generate a new one. Click the button on the right to modify the text. You can even click Edit Image in the top right corner to customize the image.
What used to take a product photographer, a graphic designer, and 2 days of back and forth now takes under 5 minutes. And the output is fully platform compliant from the start, no rejected images, no listing supplantation. As I mentioned earlier, if you're selling on Amazon's global marketplace, you'll face these issues.
Amazon US requires a pure white background at 2000 x 2000 pixels. Amazon Japan shoppers respond to different styling and typography. Amazon Germany requires different compliance text. So let's see what happens when I switch to Amazon Japan. Same product, same information. And hit Generate. The output is automatically adapted. The styling shifts to match Japanese marketplace aesthetics, and any text is rendered in Japanese.
For Amazon FBA international sellers, this is a game changer. You can now launch in a new country the same week you decide to. No waiting on agencies, no brief feedback revision cycles. If you're serious about scaling in e-commerce and the global marketplace, you need to stop spending your time on image production and start spending it on sourcing, pricing, and growth strategy. As for product photos, leave it entirely to Fotor. If this video saved you time, hit like, subscribe if you want more Amazon seller tools and international selling strategies. See you in the next one.